Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a template in HubSpot. All right, let's begin. First, go to your HubSpot dashboard and click on CRM located on the top left side. Then, click on Templates. From here, click on New Template. You can either start from scratch or choose from the template library. For this example, let's use one of the pre-built templates from the library. Simply select the template you like. Once selected, you'll see a preview of what it looks like. If you're happy with it, click Save My Selections. Your new template is now created. To customize it, click on the template name to open it. You can now edit the text, insert your signature, and make any changes needed to suit your workflow. Once you're done editing, click on Update Existing Template to save your changes. So that's basically how you can build a template in HubSpot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.